म्हाकासान जे इन्स्टिट्यूट आशिल्ली पयलीं ते थरयल्ले श्रीपाद नायकान सांगलेलें की आमी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ली जमीन म्हाकासान सावथ गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ आयुष करपाक आमचे कडेन ऑलरेडी टीबी सॅनिटोरियम आय हॅड ऑलरेडी आयडेंटिफाय सो आय स्पोक टू हिम दॅट वी वील टेक इट अप एट दॅट एरिया दॅट्स आयडियल एरिया वी गॉट अ हेरिटेज बिल्डिंग देर वी कॅन रिफर्बिश इट एंड स्टार्ट इट इमिजिएटली नो and I have just few patients there which are there and there is a place within the premises which I can redo that and put the patients there is no issue but this Ayush has to come up. It's a priority project for North Goa National Institute of Ayush which is there. We are working on it. I am also moving, checking where it is. Just now we spoke to the Chief Secretary and Honorable Chief Minister also on the thing because there was some issue regarding a sports land which is one small strip. So this will take shape and even the South Goa will take shape. So I am working also along with Honorable Minister on top priority and whatever support he needs from my department we will give. We will ensure that whatever hiccups are there are all overcome now because it's time up now to take the project forward.
वेलनेस सेंटरांची सर्व्हिस खंय फकत केंद्र सरकाराच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांक मेळटली.
Health scheme provides comprehensive health care through a network of 287. It was allopathic and 85 Ayush wellness centers and units. Presently, about 10.64 lakhs families and 32.1 lakh beneficiaries are available in these CGS facilities. Now, central government employees and pensioners in Goa have also been extended the service of central government health scheme. Government is also empaneled the private hospital and diagnostic centers under CGS since central government does not have an own hospital outside Delhi. And just now, our director already mentioned that this central will definitely attach to GMCC to give the best facilities which was given to the all.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट सुभाष खुटवळकार.